Hello friends, in this tutorial I will show you one more effective way to make a bobo balloon perfectly symmetrical. I don't stretch the balloon beforehand, I immediately start inflating it. Start inflating the bobo balloon with an air generator, and as soon as you notice that the balloon has deformed, stop inflating and quickly twist the neck of the bobo balloon so that the air does not escape. Look, one half of the balloon is bigger than the other. Place the bobo balloon under your arm. The larger side should be at the back and the smaller one in front. Press down on the larger half of the bobo balloon. The air will begin to move into the smaller half and stretch the walls of the bobo balloon. If necessary, do this action several times. Look, the balloon has taken the form of a capsule. The seam is not even, but the amount of air in both halves has become the same. This is what we need. Next, I will continue to inflate the bobo balloon using an air generator. Pay attention to the seam. You will see that the seam will be perfectly smooth, and the balloon will be symmetrical. One more caveat. Before continuing inflating bobo balloon, do not let the air out of the balloon. Do not inflate a balloon larger than its sizes. So, Bobo's balloon is ready and we continue to work.